Good day, my wonderful audience. This is Chigozie Online Maths. Now let's solve this question. If f of 2x minus 3 is equals to 4x squared plus 5x plus 2, find f of 1. This is very, very simple. First of all, remember, write this your solution, which is solution. It is very important now. That is very important. Now the question is f of 2x minus 3 is equals to 4x squared plus 5x plus 2. Abi? Now the question is find f of 1. Now, if you compare these two things, you will see that under this aspect now, they remove 2x minus 3 and it starts 1. So it means that this and this are equal. You understand? Now, for me to find f of 1, I'll first of all find my value of x. Then I can substitute it here. So therefore, these two things are equal now. You understand? So therefore, I will just say that 2x minus 3 is equals to 1. You get? So that I can find my x. Since ff 2x minus 3 and 1, so you just compare them. This is equals to this. So therefore, I will just have 2x is equals to 1 plus 3. So 2x is equals to 1 plus 3 is what? Okay, it's 4. Thank you. So therefore, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, my x is equals to 2. So I've gotten my value of x. So therefore, I will proceed to find f of 1. So f of 1 will now be, if I see yes, I will just put 2. So it will be 4, open bracket, 2 raised to power 2 plus 5, open bracket, 2 plus 2. Now, 2 raised to power 2 in my village is 4. I think. Yes, raised to power 2 is 4 in my village. 4 times 4 is 16. So 16 plus 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2. Now, let's add this. Don't use your calculator, use your calculator. 16 plus 10, check it, it's not 26, plus 2 is not what? 28. So that is my answer. Very simple. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Share this video, I beg. Thank you.